welcome to my craft orchard. I'm Edwina. So I'm going to do a little bit of a video about washi cards, and the reason is I've got some pen pal happy mail to send out. I'm a bit late this month, but it doesn't matter. And I thought I've had some new washi tape, and I thought I'd share the love, you know, of my washi. Now, this plastic card was one that I think I was given, or it was in a planner or something. So that's probably what that's what I am trying to do, but probably smaller than that. This is a piece of card that I laminated, and then I've then wrapped washi around that, and I think that's a little bit too wide, if I'm honest. Now what I do with these cards is, if I have washi that's coming to an end of a reel, I have space, so like that one's nearly finished, I decant them onto these washi cards. First of all, it makes more room in my washi containers, and secondly, it means I can then put these into a planner or into my planner pouch. And if I just need a little bit of coverage or a little bit of accent, even though the colours aren't particularly my monthly covers, then I can do it. Or if I'm in my bullet journal, messing and that sort of thing. So that's what they are. Okay, so what I thought I'd do is I'd make some today. So what I'm going to use is, I found these in a store in the UK called B&M, and as you can see, I'm taking it out of it's a flexible chopping mat, pack of 2, 17.90, absolute bargain, I have to say. Sorry about the rattling, let's just move that over there out of the way. Oh, I hate plastic sometimes. Right, so this is what you get. You probably can't see it, but it's a opaque matte chopping board, and it is very, very flexible. So I'm hoping I'll just be able to use a pair of scissors to cut this. So I've got a card which I actually use. I put my washi on and I rip it off, and I'm thinking that was probably about the right width. Yeah, looking at it, that's probably about right. So I'm hoping that I can mark this off. I put that to the edge like that, and then, oh yes, that would probably work. That'll do it. Right, and then I've got a ruler, which I've just got to get. Oh, sorry about the noise. There we go. Okay, and this is an X-cut cutting ruler, and it's got I don't know if you can see, it's got the lines on it as well as measurements, and it's got a metal edge, so you can run your cutting knife along it. So what I'm going to do is, I can see this better than you can on camera, and it's actually, I do apologise, it's showing you my light in the ruler. Let's do it over here, out of the way. Okay, I'm going to just sorry about that, because it's reflecting my light in my ruler. That's it. Okay, so I'm going to use the ruler. I'm just going to use the cut edge here with the ruler, and I'm just going to make sure that that cut edge is straight. Okay, and I'm going to cut that down. I'm not going to put it down, I'm going to use my pencil, and I might actually do, because I'm going to cut that into 3. Probably only need the 1, because I've actually used these cutting mats as a plastic cover for notebooks and things. Made sort of like a TN out of them, which is actually really good. If you've got, you know, something where you don't want to take your expensive covers with you, then you could just make yourself a simple cover, and off you go. If you're going abroad or a sandy beach or something like that. So I've already got 2. Can't really see that now. What have I got that I can? doesn't work either. I do apologise. There, can you see that on my carding? It's got a round edge anyway. There we go. And this edge hasn't. So there's a couple of ways. You can't use an edge rounder, a paper rounder, because the blade just won't be strong enough. So I've actually got a 2p coin here. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to offer it up to the corner and just draw around it. Like that. And then I'm going to cut on the line. Like that, you see? And that's now made a lovely edge for you. So, brilliant. Now the question is, how big do I want it? So if I use my trusted template, I do like a template, like so, and I draw across there. And this time I don't need my line, because I've just, I don't need my ruler, cut it across, use my 2p piece, mark each corner, cut it round, and we have a lovely washi tape card. There we go. So, same size as a credit card or a gift card, which is what I've just used. Now I've had some new washi, which is it's iridescent, it's like rainbow iridescent. It's absolutely lovely, and it's actually Italian options, and the name of it is actually on this. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to write inside the name of it, or who it is, the number and what it is, because this is the first expensive washi that I've had, and so I want to know what's going on. Sorry for that, my son just came to tell me that he loved me. Bless him. Oh, kids, I love them. So anyway, what I was saying was, so this is new washi and Italian options, and just here it actually gives you a number and what it is. And because this is the first nice washi I've had, I'm actually going to write it, or attempt to write it inside the reel. A lot of my other washi is from the works, and some of it's off the internet, some of it's off AliExpress, and it's not what I would call, it is nice, don't get me wrong, I wouldn't have bought it if it wasn't nice, but it's not the expensive branded stuff, like the gilded ones. So that's what I'm going to do with those. Okay, so to wrap this round your card, let me just find the edge, and again, I'm doing this because this is for my pen pal Happy Mail, so I'm just going to take a little bit off. Also, by doing this, it gives me a chance to have a feel of the tape, and actually get a good look at it. Oh, it's so nice. Just wrap that round. I'm quite generous with my washi. So, and then I'm going to get my card, and I'm just going to see how it rips. Let me see. Oh, that's what I thought. Oh, yeah, it's just about a bit of a tug because of the gildedness of it. But yeah, so that looks really nice. Oh, I do like that. I do like that. Okay, so I've got a few others. I'll just quickly show you what they are. So there's a dotty one, and there's a berry one. I think that was actually supposed to be a Christmas one, but to me that looks, you know, nice. Hearts, and again it's a gilded one, but a plain sort of one. They're all this Italian options range. Lovely. Oh, I'm looking forward to using all of those. So if you are one of my happy mail people, look out for nice goodies coming your way. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then please like it. If you want to see more from me, then please subscribe. And remember, my craft orchard, where skills and ideas can grow. I'll see you next time. Bye.